Hey guys, welcome to lesson 5. How about that? Here we go. Got all 5 done out of the way by the end of the day. So this is called order of operations. And operation is like multiply, divide, add, subtract, all that kind of thing. Order is what order do we do it in? And at some point, I don't know how exactly this worked, but let's say you're a mathematician or scientist in France, and then somebody in England, and somebody in Nigeria or Germany or China or whatever, and you want to communicate, if you're not doing things in exact order, then you're going to get different answers. Let's say you're working on something that's important, but you don't want to, I did all my calculations, I got this. And the person says, well, I did my calculations, I got this. Well, wait, why did you get that? Well, I added first, and I divided first, and okay. So at some point, they standardize all this. So everybody all over the world does this in a certain order. So just learn what the order is. And we'll talk more about this as the year goes on and for the next several years. But here's a difference. Look at these two. This is, a problem. And there's another problem with parentheses. Now here's the trick. When you see parentheses, just learn this for today. When you see parentheses, do that first. That's what you do first. That's it. Parentheses come first. But it's weird because like at this, if you do parentheses first, and this one, look at this one. That's 11, right? See, on this one, it's 12 minus 11. Well, that's 1, correct? All right. Well, look at this. 12 minus 7. Well, that's 5, right? 5 plus 4 is 9. So those parentheses make a big difference in the answer, right? So in other words, if you're a mathematician or whatever, scientist or, a roadkill removal technician, and let's say, Luxembourg, then you want to make sure you have the same order of operation as somebody in America or Mexico or Mars or wherever you are. There you go. There's the difference. Parentheses, that goes first. All right? So right here, pause this. You tell me the two answers to this. If you on the left one, you just go left or right. On the right one, do the parentheses first and then do the subtraction from 17. So pause it and do both of those. Okay. I'm going to move to an exciting new color. Dark blue. Okay. Well, just going left to right. 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. No big whoop, right? Over here, you got 8 minus 6 is 2. 17 minus 2 is 15. Hey, I'm working with scientists all over the world. How many ounces of dynamite should we use for the so-and-so? 3. Oh, 15. There goes your whole city. Whatever. Okay. That's why we do order of operations. Okay, here's another one. And this is the same kind of thing, right? So you pause it and give me the two answers you get. But on the right, do the parentheses first. So yeah, go ahead and pause it and do it. Okay, 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. There you go. All right, and the other one, we do the parentheses first. This is when you see parentheses, that's the correct way of doing it. Do that first. 27 divided by, now 9 divided by 3 is 3, right? So 27 divided by 3 is 9. Well, that's a big difference between that and this, all right? How many children would you like to take home today? I don't know. Let's do here's, I wanted one child. One child, honey? Yeah, okay, let's just take one. Okay, all right. Thank you, we got your order here. Here's your 9 children. All right. Okay, let's do something else. When you see a fraction like this, then you tell me, what is a fraction the same thing as? A fraction is a what kind of a problem? It rhymes with scrivision. Division. Yes, that's correct. Okay. When you see something like this, you're going to do this first, then divide. So just get that in your head. So instead of saying, 7 plus 8 divided by 3 plus 2, you're going to do this part here, the numerator. Remember, that's called the numerator. Denominator, and then divide. So that's 15. The bottom is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. There you go. Okay. All right, that was pretty simple, wasn't it? Okay, go to the practice set. I've got these lists. I'm going to list these all off at once for you this time. So pause it, go to practice set. I think it's on page 24. Do all of those and make sure when you get those parentheses, when you see the parentheses, do the parentheses first. They got to go first, okay? So knock those out, and then when you're finished, unpause it, and then we'll talk about the answers. Okay, pause it. Okay, here are all those answers, and let's knock this out. 16 minus 3, 17. B, make sure you do the parentheses first. That's 16 minus 7, which is 9. C, parentheses first. 4 times 3 is 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. D, no parentheses, just go left to right. 24 divided by 4 is 6 times 3, 18. E, just go left to right. That gives you 2. F, the parentheses first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. The last two, G, top first. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then again, top first, 20 divided by 4 is also 5. Okay, all right, that is it for lesson 5. Do a great job of those mental maths and warm-ups today, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.